Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Haki Anizil Kolbi, kelas manajemen 22B NPM 22411184. Saya di sini akan mempresentasikan sebuah materi, apa itu research methodology. Have you ever heard the word research? Research is a scientific activity that aims to obtain data which is then used for certain purpose. Someone who conducts research is also called a researcher. In addition, research is not only done by a person, but sometimes done by a group or organization. Research, research is a scientific activity, so in conduction this activity, it must be carried out carried on ways that are systematic, rational, or reasonable, and valid data or in accordance with the fact. Therefore, for conduction research should not be done carelessly because it can produce research that is difficult for reader to understand. In order for research not to be carried or carelessly, researchers must use what is called a research methodology. Talking about the research methodology is arguably one of the disciplines that is still growing. In fact, until now, research methodology continues to be developed. Therefore, methodology is included in one of the mandatory course. The use of this research methodology is adjusted to the field to be studied. For example, in the health sector, the research methodology used must be related to health. This research methodology will direct researchers to choose the right research methodology and according to the research objective. Therefore, it can be said that choosing the right methodology can produce the right research as well as the content is easily understood by the reader. There are two research methodologies that are generally known by many people, namely qualitative methodology and quantitative research methodology. However, there are actually several other types of research methodologies that are often also used by researchers. What are these methodologies? Research methodology consists of two words, namely methodology and research. In the Big Indonesian Dictionary or KBBI, methodology is the science of the methods. Description of methods will research in the Big Indonesian Dictionary or KBBI. Research in an activity of collection, processing, analyzing, and presenting data carried out systematically and objectively to solve a problem or test a hypothesis to develop general principles. So, research methodology is a way of or technique to obtain information and data sources that will be used in research. This information or data can be any form literature, such as journal, article, desk, book, new papers, and so on. And in addition, research methodology can also be obtained through electronic media such as television or radio. Even data sources can also be obtained from survey or interview. Therefore, when someone wants to conduct a research methodology, first by determining of research methodology, the research become more aware of the workflow or step in conducting research. Not only that, researchers will also easily find answer to the topic of the problem being studied, so that research can be complete with maximum result. The need for a research methodology is not without reason because conduction research requires a systematic way. With this research methodology, a research can be accounted for because it has a fairly high level of credibility. Some people think that research methodology is the same as research method, but actually the two things are different. The difference between the two terms lies of the scope, or which is way of or technique of conduction research. Research methodology has a large scope, meanwhile research method have a smaller scope, therefore research methods are a part of research methodology. Research methodology is often used by lecturers, researchers, or even students in conduction research. I'm making a research methodology. It usually consists of a problem formulation, a framework of thought, then enter the hypothesis section. The formulation or problem and hypothesis is arguably something that need to exist in making research methodology because the two elements complement each other and can explain a topic of the problem to be studied. This is a materi today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.